In this video, I will be talking about this very important resistance range on the Bitcoin price action that currently is getting broken above. And I will be talking exactly about what this currently means for Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is probably heading towards, and much more will be getting discussed on this very quick update video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Smash up the like button. On the previous upload, we almost smashed it up to 600 likes, so make sure to smash up the like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content, because currently we can clearly see Bitcoin broke above the range high on the market. Like you can see, the previous range high on the market was the 22.8k, and currently we are seeing a significant 4-hourly candle close above the 22.8k, and even we got a close above the 23,000 US dollars. So after seeing such kind of a confirmation of a break above the range, we could be definitely argue right now that we're going to be looking for higher targets on the market. I do really know, and I am very aware that currently on the 4-hourly time frame, Bitcoin is maybe not looking the best, because currently Bitcoin is forming a significant bearish divergence, and most likely Bitcoin is going to be experiencing somewhat of a pullback in the imminent short term. However, the 4-hourly candle did confirm a higher high than the previous range here in the market. So currently, I would definitely say to everyone out there, you want to be looking for long positions in this market if we're going to be having another significant correction. And currently, we're also in an exponential trend, so that could be also allowing us to look for, of course, exponential moves back towards higher levels as well on this market. But currently, what I really want to be talking about is the next targets for Bitcoin. What are we going to be aiming for? And currently, if we're really going to look at the previous range, the May/begin June consolidation phase was, of course, around the 28 towards 32,000 US dollars, and those are the most important levels to be watching right now. Currently, I am anticipating that Bitcoin could be seeing that swing back up here towards somewhere around the 28,000 US dollars. I will definitely take some profits off the table on 26,000 US dollars. Basically, that big wick on the lower side on the market right here. However, currently, I do think that it is likely to expect, because we saw a significant sharp movement down here. And if we're going to be opening the VPVR on the market, you can clearly see we are currently entering a low volume range here in the market. What basically means that the market can easily move up very quickly in this middle range right here. And since we're breaking above the resistance right now, we could be in for a very significant pump back towards higher levels, back towards the 28,000 US dollars once again for the Bitcoin price action. So don't be surprised if we're going to see a significant pump back up towards those levels of the high 20s. So yeah, currently we can also really look at the 12-hour time frame, and of course talk about the 12-hour time frame. We can clearly see we formed a triple bottom earlier today. I talked about this very strong previous support flipping into resistance right here. Perfect resistance. Once again, if you break above such kind of an important level and you're going to retest it, it is going to flip into support. And I told you guys this several times before on the previous updates. I told you guys this already over the course of before we even broke out of this level. I told if we're breaking above here, this is going to be a perfect long opportunity on the retest. And like you can see, if you took that retest, guys, congratulations, but you took an 8% trade back towards the upside. And if you are interested in trading, check out the links in the description. If you want to be trading in the US, make sure to use BitGet, because yeah, it's a US friendly exchange. No KYC, no VPN required or whatsoever. You can just trade there as well in the US. So check BitGet in the link in the description if you are a US trader. But furthermore, yeah, this was a beautiful retest on the market. And currently, if we're really going to be talking about the price target, we are still going to be aiming for targets somewhere around that 25,000 US dollars as of the breakout of this triple bottom indicator, of course. And the $25,000 is going to be, from of the point of recording right now, still another approximately 7% move back towards the upside. I don't necessarily think it's going to be in a sharp back move back. I don't really think it's going to be in a sharp move back up. However, I do think it's going to be getting accomplished in the coming days ahead of ourselves. So yeah, you can also clearly see the daily time frame. Yesterday I told you, earlier today I also told you as well, we did broke out of this trend here, and since we did broke out bullish, you can see clearly we retested the previous resistance as support, and currently it flipped into support, and we're seeing the continuation towards the upside. And for me, real take profit targets are going to be somewhere around the 25,000 US dollar. Expect Bitcoin to find at least a little bit of resistance. Of course, Pi cycle bottom indicator, guys, I have talked about this indicator for several times before on the channel. but I have also warned you guys exactly on the moment, on the 1 hour candle, guys. I told you exactly once it did flash on the market and I opened a long position on the market exactly on the pi cycle volume indicator, and the moment it flashed from off that point, it is already up over 18% from off here on. So yeah, pi cycle volume indicator so far has been exactly right here on predicting the Bitcoin bear market bottom. Will it be, of course, exactly right? That is, of course, still a thing we have to wait and see. But currently, we can also see that Bitcoin is breaking above the 200 weekly moving average. Zooming back in towards the weekly time frame, you can clearly see we're still fighting it. So I need to wait for a weekly confirmation. But if we're breaking above the 200 weekly moving average, expect that Bitcoin is going to find its way back up very quickly once again, just like we did last time around in every single bear market, or every single time we have been trading below the 200 weekly moving average. Just like we did in 2015, just like we did in 2020 pandemic low here. But basically every single time Bitcoin is trading below the 200 weekly moving average, it is an historical good buying price for Bitcoin. And once again, so far it has been proving itself that buying Bitcoin below the 200 weekly moving average is definitely worth it. So guys, as well, last thing I want to be pointing out, be careful with shorting the market right now. More than $300 million in shorts got liquidated in the past 24 hours. Be very careful with that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel. Do know we broke above the range high here. Bitcoin is looking incredibly bullish right now here. I'm not expecting the Bitcoin is going to be flushing back up here in the coming hours out of ourselves, but I do expect the coming weeks and days are going to be definitely more bullish for Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am going to be keep on looking for long positions on this market, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.